my name is Joy, and I will be talking about my eczema, how the fitness oil helped me. And I stopped scratching, but now I feel well, and it really helps you.
Hello, my name is Tracy. I'm Joy's mother, and prior to the fitness oil, Joy suffered with eczema tremendously. We discovered it about she was about two or 3 years old, and we went to a dermatologist. After dermatologist, they prescribed lots of medication to help her sleep, medication to help her stop scratching, topical medication to help with the inflammation, and we spent thousands of dollars over the course of 3 or 4 years trying to get the eczema under control because it was spreading from head to toe. And then after bouts with traditional medicine, my husband and I decided we would try a natural remedy. We tried lots of different items with still no success. We changed her diet, we kept her out of the sun, which limited her playtime, and to no avail. It just began to get progressively worse. They wanted to give her steroid shots. So one day we were in the area and I came across Natural Remedies, and I said, well, let me go in and see what they have to help with eczema. So when we came in, we started looking around, and I talked to the gentleman, and he recommended fitness oil. I said, well, I don't have anything else to lose. We've already spent thousands and thousands of dollars, and this seems pretty economical. So we decided to give it a try. After the first 7 days, we began to notice a difference. I said, okay, this might be working. Then after 21 days, when I tell you my daughter was begging for the fitness oil after that, Mommy, we're almost out of fitness oil. We need to go get some more. And so we did, because finally we found something that worked. No side effects, something that was easy to apply, something that fit into our budget. I don't have anything but great things to say about fitness oil. We've recommended it to our friends, and it's a product that we will continue to have in our pantry. Thank you.